Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Samsung TV Plus in 2026. We will try to understand how it actually works and whether it actually worth using in 2026. So the Samsung TV Plus is a free streaming service by Samsung that is going to give you access to the live TV channels and on-demand content without any subscription. It works over the internet and not on the cable or the satellite. Once you open the app, you can instantly start watching the channels just like the regular TV, but without paying any monthly fees. Samsung TV Plus offers live TV channels like news, movies, sports, and entertainments, dedicated channels for the shows and the genres, some of the on demand content as well. So the biggest advantage of it is that it is absolutely free. You don't need a subscription, login, or credit cards in order to start watching. Samsung TV Plus is also available on Samsung Smart TVs, Samsung Galaxy smartphones, and tablets. So since it is free, the service is ad supported. That means you will see the ads while watching, similar to the regular TV. Also, you can't choose every show on demand like Netflix. It's more like live channel browsing. So Samsung TV Plus is definitely worth it if you want free entertainment without paying for the subscriptions. It's great for the casual watching, news, and the background TV. But if you want full control and the premium content, paid streaming services are still better. So if this video helped you understand Samsung TV Plus better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching.